Everybody, last night we got our new vlog member. But we didn't ask his name. Yeah, we didn't. Yeah. Yeah. What's your name? New leader? What's your name, new leader? My name is Flamingo. Flamingo. My name is Mr. Macau. Mr. Macau? Yeah, Mr. Macau. That makes sense because you are a Macau and you're a boy. Yeah, I am a professor as well. Well, great. Now we have one professor in our bird city. Great. Okay, everybody. My new friends, come on, let's have some fun. Yeah, we came down for some fun. Let me come. Ow, I just tumbled down. Let me come. Whee! Ow. I think penguins also belly slide, but I will try it. Whee! Ow. Hey, I should be with pink parrot. Green parrot. I'm going. Ow. That was unlucky. Huh? What? What's a villain doing in those houses? Ha ha ha. Oh. Looks like he's a little weak. Yeah, because all the thorns hit me over here. Well, if I just peck once, pick. Ah! I'm getting out of here. Ha ha! Ah! Whee! Ow! Told you it was so easy. Mommy, Daddy? Huh? Let me come. Come on, sister. I'm coming with baby friend. Come on. Go, Gaga. Owie. Oh, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay, Father. Great. Let's go. Ostrich style. Whee! That was perfect. Let go. Whee. Let go. Whee. Ow. Whee. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. My turn to go. I'm here with you guys. Oh, hi everybody. Hi. I'm also coming. Whee. I'm with my family. I'm also coming. To be continued.